RIDGID's professional line of wet-dry vacs have been taken to the next level. Introducing the new professional 6-gallon NXT wet-dry vac. This is next level RIDGID. Here's what's been upgraded. The new front-to-back top carry handle means the vac is more comfortable to grab and go. And added comfort grip carry handles only add to that portability, allowing you to easily lift, carry, and empty the vac. New drum keying allows for a closer lid to drum seal, while the designed latches grip tighter to secure the seal. And you won't miss our larger power switch, now at the front of the vac. And finally, we've added a built-in cord wrap that neatly stores the 10-foot power cord. RIDGID NXT is our most upgraded line of vacs ever. It's next-level power, durability, and design, all backed by RIDGID's industry-leading lifetime warranty. What keeps us excited is the features you've come to expect from RIDGID. This compact vac was built to be used and abused. The 4.25 peak horsepower motor delivers the suction you deserve and equips you for any job site cleanups, both wide and deep. Included is an 8-foot Pro hose, which we call Pro for a reason. Designed to take abuse and won't crimp or collapse when in use. Its tug-along locking technology means the hose won't disconnect until you need it to. Accessory storage keeps your extension wands and utility nozzle on hand, while the 4 swiveling casters create 360-degree maneuverability. High-efficiency dust bags keep your mess contained. And as always, RIDGID's patented quick lock filters that quickly snap on and off. RIDGID's professional 6-gallon NXT vac is part of the most powerful line of vacs RIDGID has ever made.
It's the next level of power. It's next level RIDGID.
Upgrade to the next level today.